In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images code in Lovable AI. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just someone looking to polish up some personal photos, using AI has made the task much more efficient and surprisingly easy. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First things first, head over to the Lovable website. It's a fantastic platform that offers a range of AI-powered tools, and its image editing capabilities are top-notch. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the option that lets you start a new project. This will set the stage for all the edits you're planning to make. After clicking on the New Project button, your next destination is the AI image editor. This is where the real magic happens. You'll find a straightforward and intuitive interface designed to make the editing process as seamless as possible. From there, you'll need to click on Open Image Editor. This step is crucial, as it opens up the editing canvas where you can begin customizing your images. The next step involves uploading the image you want to edit. Ensure the image file is accessible from your device. You can't start editing without it. This option is typically located prominently, making it easy to find. Once you've successfully uploaded the image, you can finally see your canvas come to life with the photo you're about to enhance. Here's where creativity meets technology. You'll need to describe the edits you wish to make. This feature is one of the highlights of using AI at Lovable. By providing a clear description of what you want done, the AI gets to work. It's as simple as explaining in plain language the changes you're aiming for, whether it's adjusting the brightness, applying a filter, or perhaps removing an unwanted object from the background. Once you've described your desired edits, go ahead and click on Edit. This will prompt the AI to start applying your instructions to the image. The AI editor is quite powerful, but it's important to remember that your prompt should be specific to ensure perfect editing. The more precise you are in your descriptions, the better the AI can execute your vision. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and the power of AI, you can transform your images with ease. Keep experimenting with different prompts and edits to unlock even more creative possibilities. I'm sure you'll find Lovable AI to be a fantastic tool in your image editing toolkit. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!